Over 51,000 small-scale tea farmers in Kirinyaga and Embu counties will benefit from a 6-month training on agribusiness, diversification, human rights and environmental conservation. Rainforest Alliance Country Director Marion says over 20,000 farmers have already been trained in partnership with 8 tea factories.
Farmers in central Kenya are being encouraged to diversify beyond tea and coffee to ventures such as avocado farming, beekeeping and small-scale tea packaging to boost income and build resilience against climate change. Each factory is expected to receive 1 million shillings revolving fund to support farmers-led projects.
We've been teaching them on how they can farm tea better using regenerative and modern agricultural practices, in how they will be able to better their tea, so that how they can better their financial literacy, so that they can, which will apply across all board when it comes to farming and other activities they do in their lives.
Nganga has cautioned that without deliberate efforts in environmental conservation, tea and coffee could lose quality, with climate change already having an impact on production.
We recognize through this training we are building the resilience of smallholder farmers and local communities to become self-sufficient, but also strengthen the ecosystem health that they very much depend upon for tea production and also production of other basic food crops.
Farmers say the initiative will help them cut production costs by adopting biochemicals.
Tumesoma mambo mingi, mambo ya diversification, kuweka ukulima ingine si tu majani chai, bali tuwe na kitu ingine tunafanya.
Sylvia Gatti for Lunchtime News.